Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix earbud don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. So, remove your earbuds from the charging case, and after that put it to the charging case and close the case. Then open it and check, maybe it helps. But if it doesn't, also I recommend it to check a gesture. So open the application. Now we should click at the headphones here and go to the gesture. Sometimes it happens because you have none or the one of the gesture. So if you haven't it, just click choose something and check. Maybe it also help you. And the last one, maybe you missed touch areas. So touch areas located right here at the top. Right here, so maybe this is a problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.